If you watch these things for a long time, you see it jog to the north in one, and it goes for a couple, and then it goes back. But now we've had a few, and look at the two things on this satellite imagery. You see in the last maybe 3 images, a little turn to the right. And of course, that's what we've been waiting for to happen. It looks like it'll kind of maybe ease a little bit and then make a sharp turn. It's got to make a sharp turn, or it's still going to run into the coast there, and we're not certain exactly how sharp it's going to be, of course. The other thing is look at the satellite presentation around the eye. It's kind of ragged, ragged, ragged. Now it's perfectly circular. So when the hurricane hunters go out there and report in, I wouldn't be surprised if they're going to report in even a stronger hurricane than this 135-mile-an-hour one we have now. There are the numbers, 135. They're moving to the northwest at 17 and maybe edging toward north-northwest here over the next few hours. We'll see if this trend to turn around the high-pressure system we've been talking about is happening, or if it's just a little bit of a lean. You just don't know until it happens really exactly what has happened. Let's hold off on Earl for a second because I want to talk about what else is going on with Fiona and Gaston and the next system out there, which will probably be Hermine. The Atlantic is really lit up. Now, first of all, Fiona is not going to develop anymore. In fact, it's moving away from the islands, brought some tropical storm force winds to that area today. That's not going to be an issue. Gaston, on the other hand, is forecast by the National Hurricane Center to be a hurricane in the next 5 days, moving off generally to the west-northwest, and is expected to be in the vicinity of the northern Leeward Islands about the middle of next week. Plenty of time to watch that, but it's another one of these following on the heels of Danielle and Earl. Will it turn early? We just don't know yet. Now, how about the water? The water this year is record warm across the Atlantic, of course, and the 80-degree line, 80 degrees Fahrenheit, is about the temperature that tropical systems require in order to maintain their strength and to really operate efficiently. And look where that is. That line is right at the Delmarva Peninsula, and Atlantic City, it's 79 degrees in the ocean of Atlantic City. And look, all the way up here, 71 degrees, exceptionally warm water going all the way up the coast. So the fact is this storm is expected to maintain significant strength. The only question really is how close to the coast is it going to be?